Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Docker Hub Organization Access Controls, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Docker Hub Organization Access Controls, start by logging into your Docker Hub account. Once logged in, navigate to your Organizations page. Locate and click on the Settings tab. In the Settings menu, find the Access Controls section. Click on the Enable Access Control button. A prompt may appear to confirm your choice. Proceed by clicking Confirm. Next, you'll set up your teams. Select the Teams tab within the Access Control section. To create a new team, click on the New Team button. Enter a name for your team and provide a description if desired. Add members to the team by entering their Docker Hub usernames. Once all members are added, click Create Team to finalize. After creating teams, assign repositories to each team. Go to the Repositories tab in the Access Control settings. For each repository, click on the Manage Access option. Select the appropriate team and define their access level. Save your changes to ensure the settings take effect. Review all teams and their permissions to confirm accuracy. Finally, test the access from a member's account to ensure proper implementation. This completes the process of enabling access controls for your Docker Hub organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.